when I was walking by, I thought this was some kind of bug or something till I looked a little closer. Check that out.
Okay, well, don't mess with them. He's asleep.
Huh.